What? Are you kidding me? I did this myself. Boy, am I excited to show you this. These are chrome nail powders by Artdone. You get the set of 16. I kept the box because it's actually great for storage. Every single one of these colors looks exactly like it does in the picture. It is that high quality. I'm actually going to show you an effect using one or two of these colors today on my nails. You need a no wipe top coat in order to use these chrome powders. Otherwise, they won't have that nice chrome finish and they'll just kind of brush off. The no wipe top coat is critical. I have already applied and cured that onto my nails, so I'm pretty much ready to go. And look at how pigmented that is. It's gorgeous. The best way to apply these is with these little foam eyeshadow things, but specifically a nice quality foam one. So that's what I'm gonna use, and it takes so little. I could even just scrape what's on here, scrape that off of here. So there's very little on here, right? I'll do my pinky nail. I'm just dabbing it on. I'm not putting it on the whole nail because I don't need to for the effect that I want. Show you that mirrored effect just from that little amount. So I am gonna layer on a little bit more, just to make sure that we've got good coverage. Just kind of massage it into the nail and it gives it that really cool looking shine. I'm very nerdy about this. Now you will get even more of that popping chrome look if you use a black base. If you put like a really dark color nail polish on and then you cover that with a top coat, that's gonna give you a super chromy look. I don't actually need that for the effect I'm going for. I just need this at the base of the nails because I'm just doing an accent of chrome. Look at how beautifully that goes on. It's got that amazing mirrored effect. Ooh, I love it. It's so cool. And this is such an easy thing to do. It looks a little messy right now, but I promise you it's gonna clean up nice. I'm gonna use this nice basic gray. So for this effect, I don't wanna do the whole nail. I want to leave some of that chrome there underneath and then paint the rest of the nail, the gray. So you've got this peaking chrome effect. That's what I'll call it. It's not my idea. I found it on Pinterest. But do you see kind of what I'm going for here? This involves some freehanding skill that I don't possess. It's a really cool effect though. Oh my gosh. Success! I haven't cleaned them off yet because I still need to apply a top coat. That's the effect I'm going for. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails now. Hand number one. Oh my gosh. I haven't washed it yet, but I love it. No grace, all chaos. Top coat is on. I am obsessed. What? I did this myself. Look at how cool these chrome powders can be. Oh, I love it. Love it. Chrome nail powder. What is not to love?